Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I created this very full glam holiday glam party, Christmas, New Year's Eve, whatever you want to call it, winter, fall tutorial. This video is in collaboration with NYX Cosmetics, and I want to talk to you guys about the NYX Cosmetics app. I just downloaded it a few weeks ago and I've been playing around with it a little bit, and what I love about the app is that there is so much inspiration on this thing. I try to do a lot of like one brand tutorials and one brand looks to show you guys that you can achieve like full glam, or you can achieve something like that's super realistic only using one brand, and you don't have to like have like 101 brands in your makeup arsenal. And the NYX app is a really great place that you can go and see what people have created using products from one brand. So if you want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. Now I know it's been like super long. I was uploading daily and then poof, I disappeared. Life has been very, very crazy to say the least, and I hate that people are like, oh, I've been so busy, life's been so crazy, but it has been a very challenging season for me. That being said, I'm very excited for 2018 because it is something that I'm pursuing and I would love to turn into full-time. Now I know like you don't come on here just to like make money and make this a career. That is definitely can never be the motivation, but I am a makeup artist, I have a makeup studio, I have a creative studio, I have all of these things going on, and I would love to pursue content creation and teaching and training online as a full-time career. And that is why this platform is so important to me. I'm coming back full force with a bang in 2018. Today I have a video which is in collaboration with NYX Cosmetics. I Love You So Mochi collection dropped, and so I am going to be using the products from that collection as well as like a whole, I think pretty much a full face of NYX products in this video. I'm really excited because I love NYX. NYX has been so supportive on my makeup journey as well. So yes, I'm a little bit biased, but biased in the way that I have given myself time to like explore the products, and everything is super high performing and just like, if you guys didn't know, NYX has an app. I know, crazy, right? So right here I have the app open, and like it shows you, look, there's like New Year's inspo that I Love You So Mochi campaign launched, and you could shop that collection there, which is amazing because I have it right in front of me. And this is a great place to go to find like really cool inspiration with products that you may already own, or shop for more products. So anyway, if you guys have not got this app, definitely download it. It is free on your app store or your Google Play store. But I found this eye look, which like, I mean, come on, if that doesn't scream winter, then I don't even know. So I'm gonna do a gold version of this, but we use the same, I guess, technique as it is in this. So I'm gonna keep quiet right now and then get started. Okay, so now that I have my face color corrected, I know I look really, really crazy, but this is so essential right now because I have so many dark marks and like just the most going on with my face. And so I'm going to move on to foundation. By the way, I prepped my face with the NYX Angel Veil Primer. So moving on to foundation, I'm going to mix a few foundations today. So right now I'm going to mix up Deep Rich and Cappuccino together. So this foundation color, well, these two are absolutely the wrong shade for me. So I'm going to pick up one more color and see if I can brighten this up a little bit. So going in with the Total Drop in Deep Sable, I'm going to add this to the areas that I would actually usually highlight. Can't see in front of me, my enemies have tried every possibility. Alright, so now I'm going to try out the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. So I can tell you right now, I already know that I'm going to want something lighter than this, but I'm going to keep going. Maybe it'll blend out just fine. Oh, I really like this concealer. My goodness, it blended out like a dream, but it almost disappeared. This is a great concealer though. I didn't think I was going to like it, to be honest, just because I'm very picky with my concealers. I guess the only thing that I could say is that it dries very, very, very quickly, but it still feels like there's nothing on my face. So I'm going in with the shade Tan right now. And I'm going to just highlight this right underneath. I mean, honest to God, I cannot even believe how nicely that blended out. Wow, it looks almost airbrushed. It's so smooth. Okay, I'm back. I set my face with powder. I ended up actually using this NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat powder, which is awesome. I've never used it before. This is in the color Cocoa, and oh, this is in the color Chestnut, sorry. And it was really perfect for my complexion and to set everything as well. So I wiped away all of that baking powder, which you didn't even see anyway, and I want to contour before I even get into the eyes. I'm going to use this NYX contour palette as well. I'm going to go into the deeper shade and start contouring my face. For some reason, it's making my cheek a little bit muddy. Yeah, can you see that? It made my cheek like really, really muddy. So I'm gonna just go into a slightly lighter shade and see if I can just buff over that. I changed my brush too to the Morphe E3 brush. But I did wash my brushes, and sometimes I wash them with olive oil, and if I don't rinse all the olive oil off, sometimes it can leave a little bit of oil residue behind, and if it does that at all, like it leaves anything behind at all, it could cause that grabbing over there. But that's okay. So I went in with this shade to bronze like most of my face, or contour lightly most of my face, and then I'm going to go back in with this deeper shade once again, and I'm adding that really deep contour. So enough with that contour. I'm going to clean that up a little bit, and I'm going to use that same sponge that I used earlier. I'm going to let that sit and bake a little while to see if we can just save what started to happen over there. I just put on the concealer that I used under my eyes, set that, and now I'm going to get started with the eyes. I am recreating this look. It's a look by an artist called Anita's_Delight. I'll find her on Instagram and I'll link her down below as well. But I'm so obsessed with this look, so I'm going to do my own version of it. I'm going to use a couple of different palettes today. They're all NYX palettes, so just bear with me as I like chop and change. You just use the colors that you have in your arsenal and just make it work with what you got. Alright guys, so I ended up doing one eye off camera because I wasn't 100% sure what I wanted to do. I knew that the inspiration picture was going to be recreated, but I didn't know how it was going to turn out. So I did it off camera, and this is what I came up with. It was very dramatic, very glam. So I'm going to show you how I did this on the other side. So we're using a couple of different palettes, starting off with the NYX Perfect Filter palette. This one is the Perfect Filter in Golden Hour, and I'm picking up this taupey shade over here, and I'm going to use that as my overall transition color.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies have tried every possibility. Ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly.
So I just added some black eyeliner to my lower lash line and tight lined as well. I'm going to take the same colors that I worked on my top lash line down to my bottom lash line. So now to finish up, I'm going to line my top lash line with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and then I'm going to put some mascara on, pop up some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I popped my lashes on. I have actually added glitter to the center, which I didn't do off camera, but I just used glitter glue in that area and then applied the glitter to the center to kind of mimic the halo eye, but I also put it on the lashes in the middle, so there's no mascara on those center lashes, so it really pops and accentuates. One thing I forgot to do that I did on this eye is to add a little bit of black just to create some more depth. So I'm picking up this Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just taking the darkest shade, which is the black in the corner, with the same tiny little brush. And really, I feel like if you add black in the inner and outer corner when you do a halo eye, it just completes the look. So I'm going to pop that on. So what I want to do before I even go in and highlight is set my face. I'm going to use this NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray and just spray everywhere. And this is really just going to make sure that all these layers and layers and layers and layers are going to melt into the skin and look flawless, basically. And I'm just going to highlight. Wow, okay. Wow. Oh my god. This is kind of like the Fenty highlighter. It's a little bit glittery like that. Lord! Okay. I think I gotta stop because I'm just gonna keep like highlighting for Jesus. So I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm taking this super bright gold shade and adding it to my nose so that it looks like a robot. In South Africa we call them robots, but traffic light is what you would be referring to. Now for blush, I'm going to use this NYX Ombre Blush. Look at how gorgeous this color is. I mean, come on. And I'm just going to dab into this. Go. And add some warmth to my cheeks. Wow, it's actually very pigmented. I may have picked up a little bit too much product, but we're just going to blend, 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 blend. Keep blending. Oh my god. I can't even believe. This has been sitting in my kit for like who knows how long. I'm just toning it down a little bit by taking a brush that I used for powder earlier. Okay, so for my lip liner, I'm using the NYX retractable lip liner in Cocoa or Cacao. So for gloss, I'm using the NYX Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss, which is super gorgeous as well. I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand so you can see it's like nude but pigmented, but like look at that. Come on. Oh my goodness. So you could go with a bold lip, but I feel like because there's so much going on in the eyes, this lip has to be nude. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys love this look as much as I do and enjoyed watching me create this tutorial. If you recreate this, definitely comment down below and a link where your recreation is. I love to see those things as well. If you guys are app people, for sure download the NYX app. It's just such a cool place to find inspiration other than Instagram, because it is brand specific, and I love that. Like I can gather all my NYX products. I can try to figure out like if I'm short on inspiration or not 100% sure on the video that I want to create or the look that I want to create for that day. I can just hop onto the app and see what other people have done or what new products that have dropped. Today in my video I featured this Love You So Mochi collection, which is really exciting. I love that they did like collaborations and were inspired by something that is not makeup, and the colors are stunning, stunning, stunning. I want to show you both of these palettes really clearly because I didn't actually do it earlier on in the video. But the one that I used, I only used the gold shade from this, but if you guys want to see me recreate other looks using this specific one, this is the Electric Pastels one. I think this will be perfect for spring, and I can swatch this as well. I'll probably swatch it on my social media, so definitely follow me on Instagram if you want to see more details about this product over here. The other one is the Sleek and Chic palette, which is more muted, but they still are these shimmer shades. I really want to use that for a smoky eye. I think that's pretty. So there's a lot of diversity. Note that these palettes do not have like matte colors and transition colors, so you will need to dip into other palettes if you're trying to create a look. This Love You So Mochi freaking Lit Life palette, whatever it's called, highlighter palette, the center shade is legit a Fenty Beauty dupe. Like, I'm gonna swatch them together and I'll let you guys know if it is a dupe, but the way that it like showed up on my skin, I know I blended it out so it's not like super overwhelming because I didn't want it to compete with the eyes, but wow, I cannot even believe. So that is all I have to say about the products that I used today. If you watched the video, you obviously saw that I used tons of NYX products. I'm going to list everything that I used down below in the description box. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you in the next video. And remember, don't let anybody dim your glitter.